Imagine over 2,000 years ago, a complex device with gears and wheels, intricately designed, mysteriously predicting astronomical events. This is not a science fiction tale, but a real artifact from ancient Greece known as the Antikythera Mechanism. Discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of the small Greek island of Antikythera, this device has puzzled and fascinated historians, astronomers, and scientists alike. Its complexity is staggering. A network of 30 intricate gears assembled in a way that would not be seen again for over 1,000 years. It's a marvel of ancient engineering, a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors. Yet its purpose and origin remain shrouded in mystery. Was it an early computer predicting astronomical events, or an educational tool illustrating the movements of the heavens? These questions continue to captivate us, drawing us into the enigma that is the Antikythera Mechanism. But how did this marvel of ancient engineering come to be discovered? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this cosmic mystery. In the Aegean Sea, 1901, sponge divers stumbled upon a shipwreck carrying the world's first known analog computer. This was no ordinary shipwreck, but a time capsule that held an artifact that would puzzle and fascinate researchers for over a century. In the midst of relics and treasures, they discovered a peculiar object, encrusted in marine life and seemingly out of place. It was a complex assembly of gears and dials, nothing like anything known from the ancient world. The divers were perplexed. What was this strange device doing on a Greek ship that sailed the seas over 2,000 years ago? When the divers brought the object to the surface, its importance was not immediately recognized. It was initially mistaken for a piece of rock or an unremarkable artifact amongst the other more visually striking treasures. Yet this lump of corroded bronze held a secret that would rewrite our understanding of ancient technology. Speculation swirled around the artifact's purpose. Some suggested it was a navigational instrument, perhaps a sophisticated compass or an early prototype of the astrolabe. Others conjectured it might be a device for predicting eclipses and other astronomical events. These early guesses were not far from the truth, but the mechanism's true purpose remained elusive, its complex gears and inscriptions shrouded in mystery. The artifact found its home in the National Archaeological Museum of Athens, where it laid relatively untouched for several decades. Over the years, researchers and historians visited the artifact, each leaving with more questions than answers. The device, which came to be known as the Antikythera Mechanism, was an enigma. It was a testament to a level of technological sophistication not typically associated with ancient Greece. Yet it wasn't until much later that the true complexity of the Antikythera Mechanism was revealed. The discovery of the world's first known analog computer was indeed a fortunate accident, but understanding its intricacies would prove to be a long and arduous journey, a journey that would take us deep into the heart of ancient knowledge and innovation. With the advent of modern technology, scientists began to decipher the Antikythera Mechanism's secrets. The formidable tool of X-ray technology was applied to this ancient enigma, allowing researchers to gaze into its complex interior without causing any damage. This was akin to a surgeon's scalpel, precise and revealing, yet non-invasive. The device, once thought to be a single wheel of gears, was found to be composed of over 30 cogwheels intricately meshed together. The complexity of the design was staggering, and it was clear that the Antikythera Mechanism was a marvel of ancient engineering, far more advanced than anything else known from that era. As the gears were further studied, the scientists made another jaw-dropping discovery. They found inscriptions, tiny etchings on the surface of the mechanism akin to an instruction manual. These inscriptions, once deciphered, offered a deeper understanding of the device's function. The next step was to recreate the Antikythera Mechanism using three-dimensional modeling. This allowed researchers to manipulate the virtual device, turning its gears and observing the resulting movements. It was during this phase that the true purpose of the Antikythera Mechanism began to shine through. The device was not a simple timekeeping apparatus as initially thought. Instead, it was a complex astronomical calculator, able to predict the positions of celestial bodies with impressive accuracy. It could track the cycles of the sun, moon, and possibly even the planets. The Antikythera Mechanism was, in essence, an ancient Greek computer, a tool that bridged the gap between the heavens and humankind. The realization of the device's astronomical purpose was a turning point in understanding the Antikythera Mechanism. It shed light on the advanced state of ancient Greek astronomy and engineering, offering a glimpse into a world where the stars were not just objects of wonder, but tools for navigation and timekeeping. As we peeled back the layers, the Antikythera Mechanism started to reveal its celestial purpose. The mystery was unraveling, and the ancient Greek computer was finally sharing its secrets. But as with all great enigmas, each answer only led to more questions. The Antikythera Mechanism, a marvel of ancient engineering, continues to puzzle and fascinate us. This intricate device, discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera, is widely acknowledged as the world's oldest known analog computer. Designed around the 2nd century BC, it's believed to have been used to predict astronomical events like eclipses, track the 4-year cycle of athletic games, and more. Decades of intense study have shed light on its ingenious complexity, yet much of its full functionality remains elusive. Today, scientists and historians continue their quest to decode its mysteries, using advanced technologies like 3D scanning and digital reconstruction. Each new discovery peels back another layer, revealing the profound knowledge and technical skill of its creators. While we may never fully unravel the secrets of the Antikythera Mechanism, its existence is a testament to the advanced astronomical understanding of our ancient ancestors.